My name is Pasquale, and I am the responsible of the test and validation department here at Bolt. Test and validation is a key aspect of all products in any product development. Main purpose of these activities, the verification of the product design, while making sure that the requirements that you define at the beginning of the project are met. We do all of this in Bolt, but we also support in the design team during critical decision in proof of concept phases. We also support the simulation teams by feeding the test results into their models, which means that they can improve and optimize their models. Our test also aims at gathering all the information that then are required for the BMS calibration. We also are responsible for the certification of the products. So our role is very important because we have to make sure that the product is ready for the certification. At Bolt, we perform a wide range of tests. The first main area where we work in is the electro-thermal phase, where we basically evaluate the electrical and thermal performance of the device under test. So these activities are normally done at different levels, so at cell, module, system, and also a multi-string level, where you have different battery packs connected either in series or in parallel between them in the same system. Then we also perform environmental tests, which involves temperature cycles, humidity cycles, and the combination of both. We also perform abusive tests, such as thermal runaway. So Bolt as a company, we give a lot of importance to the safety of the products, and thermal runaway is a key aspect. We were able to actually build our own test infrastructure here, where we can test the thermal runaway events at cell, module, and mid-size system levels. We also perform BMS tests, which means we have a test rig where we evaluate the software without the actual cells. We also perform component tests. These tests are normally done at component level, such as adhesives, glues, or even electronic components. And some of these are very useful, especially during material selection during the design phase. Another important part of our battery development process is the mechanical test. Here we basically make sure that the design is robust and solid and meets the requirements that were set at the beginning of the project. So we do vibration, mechanical shock test, and even in some cases crush or crash test. The overall quality and reliability of Bolt's system are enhanced by the fact that we have an internal testing capabilities. This means that we can first lower cost, we can increase the accuracy of the test, and we can pay attention to every minor details that can occur during any test. At Bolt, we take the test activities very seriously, as we think that these are a key part of our battery system development, as they can bring to the product itself safety, reliability, and performance.